Pinyoy. Sa... Kasi parang hindi na namin kailangan ng coordinators kasi andyan naman sila para tumulong. Yung mga tita ko, mga pinsan ko. Tapos yung cotillion court ko, thank you. Kahit medyo pinilit ko pa kayo. Thank you pa rin dahil nakarating kayo. Sa mga nag-sponsor po, parang literally, this event wouldn't be possible without all of you. So, thank you po. Sa mga high school friends ko, Antonyms, thank you, Sir Rivera. Sir Rivera, ikaw talaga yung favorite teacher ko forever. And Antonyms, you are my favorite section forever. To my CSS family, thank you sa pagpunta. Ayun, sa ESC family ko din, sa Comdev team, thank you. Sa college friends ko, yung barkada ko, kayo, wala ata sila nagpaputo. Ayun, tapos, si Kuya Franz, si Irog, tsaka po yung San Miguel family, thank you po. Kay eto na. Medyo scripted na to. First off, thanks to Mama and Daddy for making this event possible. 3 months before this event, I wasn't really looking forward with having this kind of celebration. It may be very tiring, very stressful, but still, Mama and Daddy did what they can do to make it happen. For the record, this past few months have been the longest time Mama and I bonded, and fortunately, we both have fun. We got a chance to go out together by just ourselves and catch up with school, with things and stuff. And I hope it doesn't end there. And to Daddy, who became my technical director, my financer, my personal DJ, who did all those AVPs and music mixes. Thank you. Even with a hectic schedule at work, he still managed to do all those music mix. And I really appreciate the efforts both my parents did, and this event wouldn't be this memorable and fun without them. So please help me give a round of applause to my parents. And lastly, but greatest thanks to be given is to God for giving us perfect weather today. And for Him, none of this will happen. Or even if I will be alive today. So thank you for always taking care of me and my family, even when I'm pasaway. Yun. Kapela, ang dami. Thank you again, and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Angelica Ariel Dionisio Lapis. That marks the end.